In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move cards between Trello boards. If you've ever found yourself needing to organize tasks or projects across different teams, or just streamline your workflow, learning how to efficiently move Trello cards is essential. First, let's get you started on the right foot by opening up a web browser and heading over to Trello.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be taken to the login screen. Here you have a couple of options to sign in. You can either enter your email and password directly, or you can use your Google account for a quicker login. Choose the method that works best for you. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your boards by clicking on Boards at the top of the Trello homepage. This page will show you an overview of all the boards you've created or are a part of. Focus your attention on the Your Workspaces section, which provides a neat categorization of your boards. Scan through and select the board that contains the card you want to move. Give it a click and you'll be taken to that board's overview page. With the board in front of you, the next step is to locate the card you wish to move. Cards appear in lists, and once you find yours, click on it to open up the card's detailed view. This is where all the magic happens. You'll notice several options, but for today, keep your eyes peeled for the button labelled Move. A click on this will open a new menu specifically for managing the card's location. From the Move menu, direct your attention to the Board drop-down menu. Clicking on this lets you see all the Trello boards available to you. Carefully browse through the list and choose the board where you'd like the card to go. After that, it's time to zero in on the specifics of its new location. Click on the list drop-down menu that appears just below. Here, you'll need to select exactly which list on the new board the card should live in. Now let's talk about the card's position within the selected list. This might seem like a small detail, but it can be crucial for personalizing your workflow. By selecting the precise position for the card, you can make sure it's organized just the way you like it. Once you've settled on the board, list and position, the final step is straightforward. Simply click the Move button to confirm and execute the transfer. And there you have it. Your card has successfully made it to its new home. Merging tasks across different boards can now be as routine as your morning coffee. This feature is a marvelous way to keep track of ever-changing project scopes without losing sight of important tasks or deadlines.